Motorcycle of the PBA. It is going to be the Elasto Painters.
Burn you with game winners, or he can steadily chip it off all throughout the game with these drives. And take a look at this play. Just reading, waved off that screen, and then
Kinaliwa ni Kev. Lakas move na ito, hatid sa inyo ng Cobra plus Vitamin C. Lakas at protection.
An NLEX road warrior.
Yeah. Wala ata sa vocabulary ng Alas yung mga careful. Ito. Alas with another field goal. And boy, Kevin has just been lights out this entire conference for NLEX rather. Alas, Soyud, Cruz, libre, pasok yan! And the Road Warriors offense humming in this first quarter. Rain or shine hanging around, but it's offense winning the first period as the Road Warriors putting up 24 points kontra sa 18.
Siya talaga ang tumitira para dito sa Rain or Shine, and dito maaga pa lang. Yun ang pinapakita. But Kevin Alas just burns that 2-3 zone immediately by Rain or Shine.
Kevin Alas shooting 23% from the outside, but has already made 2 3-pointers in this game. By the Road Warriors. Quick pass. Jericho Cruz. Jericho Cruz is an excellent finisher in transition.
And that's what itong si Bo Belga wanted to stop kanina. Alam niya pag nakakuha ng bola to si Jericho Cruz because it's the same.
And Rivero wrestling in the paint, leaving Kevin Alas wide open. He's got 18.
NLEX by a huge margin to win this ball game.
Oh! Cruz from outside. And a potential 4-point play as he elevates and sends that one home.
And on the replay, we can see that he even looked at the referee as he let go of the shot and then drains it.
After 36 minutes, malaking bagay yan. Cruz na naman! Bang, bang!
This is how you open the final quarter. You play good defense, make good stops, force them to take bad shots, and then nakagalaw dun si Jewel Ponferrada.
Ayon, binigay kay Cruz! And Jericho is flexing, screaming, and howling inside the bubble.
And he's on takeover mode. Ito yung sinasabi natin na hinihintay natin.
Pinayungan. No look past there. Lalab! The finish! Jericho Cruz from Ayon in the air.
That's such a beautiful play to watch. Jericho Cruz asked for it. Mike Ayon said, let me pace it properly.
Yeah.
When to lob it to you. Let me set this up for a highlight reel.
Cruz with the bunnies to still get up there and finish. Pero kagad, that NLEX has beaten one. TNT.
Lahat nasa taas, no?
Rainer shine then. Jericho Cruz. Well, what a win as NLEX creeping closer and closer. They pick up their first back-to-back wins of the bubble. They take a